How to turn on protection mode on Rednote app. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a quick and easy tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to turn on protection mode in the Rednote app. First, open the Rednote app, and if you have logged in your account details, head to the profile by clicking on the Me icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Next, go to the settings icon. You'll find this option in the menu. Now navigate to privacy settings, scroll down until you see the option for protection mode. But before that, if you like watching our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Well, simply toggle the protection mode option. This will change certain settings by default to enhance your privacy. If you find that the new settings aren't to your liking, you can easily toggle off protection mode at any time. And that's it. You've successfully turned on protection mode in the Rednote app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.